Tired of the bank process you go through before you get a loan? Need quick cash and your payday is not yet near? Don't have the time to wait for 48 hours or 2 weeks to get the money from the bank? Are you broke? Are things rough with your business? Worry less. This article on top loan apps in Kenya is here to give you more accessible and instant ways to get money through soft loans in Kenya. Whether you need money for school fees, a baby shower, to expand your business, or cash for kupiga share, partying, you are covered. Keep watching to discover the top 9 loan apps in Kenya that will grant you money without collateral in minutes. How do loan apps in Kenya work? There are over 100 loan apps in Kenya. However, how do you know the one that is reliable? Just like in most African countries, loan apps in Kenya are instant and quick. The loan can be disbursed to you in seconds or within an hour depending on your credit score. Loan apps do not need collateral. You can access loan from any loan apps in Kenya. As long as you have a good credit score, you are good to go. If it is your first time of taking loan, the amount disbursed will be relatively lower, but will increase as your credit score increases. Loan apps' interest rate depends entirely on the amount of money you need and the period you will take to repay the loan. The longer the period, the higher the interest rate. Loan apps beat the bank with their loan application process. You would not need a physical form. Just with your smartphone, national ID card, and an M-Pesa number, and you are good to go. What are the best loan apps in Kenya? The rise of mobile phones users in the country has increased the number of mobile loan startups in Kenya, but up to 50% of these startups do not survive the formative stage. This is partly because most of them fail to do their market research properly. However, since most money transfers are through mobile phones, many Kenyans has embraced the mobile technology revolution and are subscribing to getting loans via app instead of the traditional process of submitting so many documents at the bank as collateral for a small loan. Here are the top mobile loan apps for quick and instant loans in Kenya. Number 1. Tala. Trusted by over 3 million Kenyans, the Tala loan app is Kenya's most famous loan app. The app gives instant loans for literally anything. All you need is a registered M-Pesa number linked to your national ID and the Tala loan app on your mobile phone. With that, you are good to go. Number 2. Branch app. The Branch app is a well-known soft loan app in Kenya, most common among Kenyans and the most reliable for quick, instant loans. More or less similar to the Tala loan app, the requirement for the loan application is to apply via the app with your Kenyan national ID to show you are above 18 and a registered M-Pesa account. The only disadvantage is that the interests are very high compared to other loan apps. However, Branch is the way to go for quick loans without collateral. Number 3. Mshwari. Mshwari loans are soft loans provided by a Safaricom company in Kenya. Mshwari is also a fast way to get loans. All you need to get the loan is an M-Pesa account that is registered. The mobile number must have been actively transferring money for about 6 months. In addition, saving money in your Mshwari account is a plus to getting vast amounts of loans. So keep saving and save some more. Mshwari deposits money to your Mshwari account in seconds or minutes, where you will have to transfer it to your M-Pesa account. Number 4. M-Pesa. KCB M-Pesa loans are similar to Mshwari loans. The more you save, the more your chances of getting a loan. To apply for a loan, all you need is a registered M-Pesa number and an account that has been active for over 6 months. Number 5. Timiza. Timiza is the only soft loan app in Kenya with the lowest interest. You get instant cash direct to your M-Pesa. No collateral and the interests are favorable. The amount of money you get depends on your credit limit and repayment history. Number 6. MCOOP Cash. MCOOP Cash is another efficient soft loan app relied on by most Kenyans. The cooperative bank in Kenya manages the app loan. Co-op Bank is one of the big banks in Kenya. You can get instant small loans from MCOOP Cash loans. The best thing about the MCOOP Cash app is that it gives a broad repayment period from 1 month to 3 months or more. You get to choose the most convenient time for you. There is an even easier way of accessing the loan. All you have to do is dial *667 hashtag and choose the option. To qualify for the loan, you must have a co-op bank account. Number 7. Stowaway. Stowaway loans are primarily for business owners or enterprises in Kenya. It offers loans to both small and large-scale business owners. Stowaway is among the few soft loan apps in Kenya owned by Kenyan banks. To access the loan, you must have the loan app, an app account, fill out the application form online, and that is it. Stowaway has many requirements, from the registered number, national ID, and email address to a business that has been active for over 6 months and a business license. Ooh, your business needs to thrive with over 40 returns. Number 8. Fuliza M-Pesa. Fuliza is steadily rising as an instant loan giver for most Kenyans in 2022. All you need to access Fuliza is to opt in by dialing *234 hashtag. That is it. As long as you have an M-Pesa account and actively use it for a money transfer, you are eligible for Fuliza M-Pesa. The lowest limit you can get is Kesh 300. Number 9. Zidisha Loans. Zidisha is among the newest loan app in Kenya 2022. The app provides a platform for lenders and borrowers to meet and conduct transactions. The requirement is as simple as a Facebook account, active M-Pesa number, and national ID. What are the consequences of not paying your loan on time? As much as loans are outstanding, there are consequences. First, delays in loans are not the best if you are looking for financial freedom. Delay or ignorance of the loan will lead to a rollover of interest, making you pay more than you had to in the first place. Additionally, you might find yourself on CRB, Credit Reference Bureau. The process of CRB clearance is tiresome. You will have to agree with me on this one. You do not want to find yourself on that side. CRB is a massive barrier to some of your job applications, or even your next loan application. Who would want that? You have a lot to worry about. Do not add loan repayment delays to your list. The next time you need instant money and do not know where to look, you have an idea of the best loan apps in Kenya to consider. If you have ever used any of the mentioned apps, which one is your best? Which loan app would you vouch for? How did it work? I would love to hear from you.